Welcome to English Listening Practice video. This is episode 1. Today's topic is a day at the coffee shop. Listen carefully and follow the captions. Let's begin.
It's Saturday morning. The weather is perfect, sunny and cool. I decide to take a break and visit my favorite coffee shop downtown. I put on a light jacket and leave home. The streets are quiet. A few people are walking their dogs. Some are jogging in the park. I enjoy the peaceful walk. After 15 minutes, I reach the coffee shop. It's a small, cozy place with wooden tables and warm lights. I open the door and step inside. The smell of fresh coffee fills the air. Soft music is playing in the background. People are sitting at tables, talking, working on laptops, or reading books. I walk to the counter and smile at the barista. She says, "Good morning. What can I get for you today?" I reply, "Good morning. I'll have a medium vanilla latte, please." She nods and says, "Coming right up." While I wait, I look around the shop. Then I notice someone waving at me from the corner. It's my old friend, Daniel. We haven't seen each other in over a year. I walk over and say, "Daniel, what a surprise. How are you?" He stands up and gives me a quick hug. He says, "I'm good. Wow, it's been so long. Sit down, let's catch up." I sit down across from him. He asks, "What have you been up to lately?" I reply, "Mostly working. Life's been busy, but good. You?" Daniel smiles. "Same here. Work, life, and trying to stay sane." We both laugh. My coffee arrives. I thank the barista. I take a sip and say, "This latte is just what I needed." Daniel asks, "Still working at the same company?" I nod. "Yeah, still there. But I'm thinking about switching jobs soon." He says, "Really? Why?" I explain, "I want something new. Maybe in a different city." Daniel says, "That's exciting. Change can be good." We continue talking about work, family, travel, and memories from college. At one point, I ask, "Do you remember our late-night study sessions?" He laughs. "Of course! And the instant noodles at 2 a.m. Classic times." We talk for almost an hour. Finally, Daniel checks his watch and says, "I should get going." "I have a meeting soon." I say, "No worries. It was really good to see you." He replies, "Yeah, let's not wait another year to meet again." We both stand up, shake hands, and smile. I watch him leave the shop. Then I sit down again, sip my coffee, and feel happy. Sometimes, a simple coffee and a good conversation can make your whole day better.